Welcome back. We're down in the Cotswolds again. Kuiu
Good
Steve.
morning.
It's a little bit dark still. We're still just sat in the cab for 5 minutes whilst it gets a little bit lighter. What time are we on?
Time is 7:40.
7:40, so a bit nicer, a bit of a lying bed. Not so early, although I did wake up about 4:30. You probably got out of bed about 6 o'clock, luckily. You did have a 2-hour drive. But row does are on the agenda, fallow does. Last time we filmed, it was mainly row we were after, wasn't it, and munties?
Yeah, I think
But
it was, yeah.
now we've got fallow does in, and obviously munties all year round, but we'll just see what we can find in this bud. Spider Muntjac down on the bottom of the ride. You got that one, mate? I've not swapped over to the big lens yet, but you can see it down there in the middle of the track. So we can see that one's down on the track. So as we're approaching, we're going to have a look. Obviously still checking left and right, see if we can see anything else. So you can see we haven't really gone that far. If I turn around, we started over there where the buggy is, and obviously, yeah, good start.
Got some road aim there. To see her backside going up through the wood. Road just there. Animal, isn't he?
Yeah, definitely a good one. Not a bad one to take, to be fair. Good condition, isn't he? Good, perfect shot there, isn't it?
Well, at least we ain't got too much damage to it.
Yeah, can't complain with that. But he didn't go anywhere, did he? That's the main thing.
Side of it out the way, and then we'll go and have a look, see if we can find something else. Some fallow row bobbling around up on the top.
So we've got a ride down there.
Gone back in the wood.
We've got a ride all the way down there.
Yeah, it's just crossing back over again now. Right at the far end.
Ride down there.
Just crossed over and gone into this block. And another one there, I don't know whether you can see it with your camera.
Yeah.
A bit too far on it. Just another one crossing.
Yeah, just on the right hand side. Is that a kid, isn't it?
Say again?
Is that a road kid?
Yeah.
Take the bar on one side.
another muntjac on the ride.
It's already gone in. If we go down the next ride,
Yeah.
back up on the top because the wind's
Yeah, the wind's blowing down the ride.
We're not going to thread a shot through there.
They're back on the ride. Back on the ride. Right, we had a bit of a communication error there. Steve was looking at a fallow doe that he's had, and I was looking at a muntjac. But we've had worse problems, eh?
See him or not?
Yeah, there's a roebuck there. You can see his antlers in velvet.
Yeah, that's why you've got to be really, really careful at the moment. And not shoot a little buck.
So on the other side of the track, we've got another little buck. I can't see it from where I am, but I don't want to move the buck a bit. But Steve's spotted it with the thermal. Just having a look around, see if he can see anything else. Oh yeah, there we go. Whee!
Oh, you bastard.
So we tried to get that road out, but that's just stalking for you. It won't stop in the right place at the right time. But we've had a bit of cat and mouse with the row in here. There's plenty in here, plenty of little bucks that are trying to trick us. But obviously the bucks are out of season. But I don't think we've done too bad so far. We've had a muntjac and a fallow. We've seen lots of deer, so it's a successful morning. One downside is it's absolutely freezing. We've actually already finished up for the morning. We've been for breakfast and we're back out for an afternoon stalk, but I'm going to film a separate video for that. But overall this morning, obviously we had the fallow yearling, the doe, and then we had obviously that muntjac buck to start with, which was in primal condition really.
Yeah, it's in a few roe. There's a couple of nice little roebucks, up and coming roebucks. Nothing as in roe does presented a shot that was suitable. No,
that one skipped across the ride, didn't it?
Yeah, which would have been a good one to take out, but she didn't hang around.
No, always the way, innit?
But no, see what we can do this afternoon.
Yeah, we were happy
on another bit of ground, a bit further away.
Yeah, hopefully catch up with some fallow. But we got back, growled at them too, and then we went for breakfast. And maybe a few coffees and a cheeky little cake. Just because Russ sent here, if we could enjoy our cake then. Yeah, without him stealing it. But right, on to the next video. In the next video, you'll be watching us back out now after the fallow, really, isn't it?
Hopefully.
Fallow and whatever else appears. So, yeah, let's get back out.